Hello students and welcome to this video. Here we have discussed regarding with the new topic from chemistry, that is halogen derivatives. Okay, as you know about that, what are the functional groups and what is the examples? What are the examples of functional groups? Functional group gives characteristic property to the organic compound, that is called functional group. There are many functional groups are there. For example, alcohol, aldehyde, ketones, halogens, nitro compound. Okay, so halogens are halogens which are represented by X. X is a functional group for halogen. X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, as well as iodine, and the last is astatine. But here we only discuss regarding with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, the derivatives of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Acetine is a short-lived species, so that's why we can't consider here. So only derivatives by using fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. So what is mean by hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are the compounds which are formed from hydrogen and carbon. That is hydrocarbon. For example, the first family member from alkane is methane, CH4. So this is the hydrocarbon. It is made from hydrogen and carbon. So that's why hydrocarbon. Word itself means that hydrocarbon, the compound which is made from hydrogen and carbon. Okay, don't mix the hydrocarbon and carbohydrate. Okay, hydrocarbons which is made from carbon and hydrogen, and carbohydrate which including carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, now, so this is about halogen derivatives which are formed by replacing hydrogen atom from hydrocarbon by corresponding number of halogen atom. Now, in our everyday life, we use or we know that thyroxine, which is a gland which secretes T3 and T4. Thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine, that is T3, which is useful to regulate our body temperature, metabolism, and regulate heart rate. So that is the uses of that thyroxine, which is the derivative of iodine. Now consider the classification of hydrocarbon. This is the introductory part which very well you have studied in the 11th standard, but for this it is essential to know what is hydrocarbon and its classification. So hydrocarbon, now we consider that two main categories of the hydrocarbon. First one is aliphatic hydrocarbon, and next one is aromatic hydrocarbon. For this chapter, the classification which is essential to understand, we are going to discuss only this. So hydrocarbon, aliphatic hydrocarbon, and aromatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic hydrocarbon further classified into, that is alkane, or sorry, saturated and unsaturated, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated including alkane, unsaturated including alkene, and alkyne, and aromatic itself including the derivatives of benzene. So from these, hydrogen atoms are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atom, then derivative of, that is halogen derivative of alkane, halogen derivative of alkene, halogen derivative of alkyne, halogen derivative of aromatic compound, that is haloarenes, are obtained. For example, if we take this we know better that CCl2 and F2, this is the halogen derivative of methane, that is a freon, well known example, freon, as well as Cl, CH, double bond, CCl2, this is Vestrosol. Or for example, benzene replace one hydrogen atom from CH2Br, this is benzyl bromide. So all these are the examples of halogen derivative of alkane. Now here classification of halogen derivatives. Classification based on different types. First of all, classification of halogen derivative based on number of halogen atom as well as carbon skeleton. For example, if we consider carbon classification based on carbon skeleton, then classification based on carbon skeleton gives that mode of attachment of corresponding halogen atom towards the alkane, that is haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne, and haloarene. As earlier we see the examples of haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne as well as haloarenes. Then next classification based on number of halogen atom attached to the hydrocarbon. For example, monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen derivative as well as polyhalogen derivative. So monohalogen derivative is also referred as alkyl halides. So examples from these and these categories we know better. The next one is classification based on mode of attachment of halogen atom. That is, we will discuss here more about monohalogen derivative, that is alkyl halide. Monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative. So what is the definition for halogen derivative becomes? Halogen derivative of hydrocarbon are nothing but hydrogen atom from hydrocarbon are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atom, that is halogen derivative of hydrocarbon. What is monohalogen derivative? Mono means one. So one hydrogen atom from hydrocarbon is replaced by one halogen atom, that become monohalogen derivative. What is for di? Two hydrogen atom from hydrocarbon replaced by two halogen atom. What is tri? Three hydrogen atom by three halogen atom. What is for polyhalogen? More than four hydrogen atom from hydrocarbon are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atom, that become polyhalogen derivative. Okay, then we consider here monohalogen derivative and we try to study more about monohalogen derivative. So monohalogen derivative further classified into different categories or classified into different types. First one is classification based on mode of attachment. Mode of attachment. Mode of attachment. First one is primary. Primary alkyl halide. Monohalogen derivative also referred as alkyl halide. Second one is secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide. And third one is tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide. So when we say primary, when we say secondary, and when we say tertiary, primary means halogen atom attached to primary carbon. So when we say that primary carbon, when carbon atom attached to only one carbon, then that is this carbon is primary carbon. Primary carbon referred as this one. So what about this carbon? This middle carbon is attached to another two carbon. So that's why this carbon becomes secondary. Okay, and what is tertiary? When the carbon atom attached to three other carbon, then that carbon is tertiary carbon. And now halogen atom attached to primary carbon, then that is primary alkyl halide. Halogen atom attached to secondary carbon, then that is secondary alkyl halide. And halogen atom attached to tertiary carbon, then that is tertiary alkyl halide. So based on that, halogen atom attached to primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atom, the examples are becomes, for example, we consider here primary alkyl halide. The best example is ethyl chloride, CH3CH2Cl. So chlorine is a functional group, halogen. halogen atom attached to this primary carbon atom. So because this carbon attached to only one this carbon. Then for secondary alkyl halide, we take example for isopropyl chloride. Halogen atom chlorine attached to this carbon, which carbon is attached to another two carbon. So that's why this carbon is secondary carbon and compound is secondary alkyl halide. This alkyl halide is also known as isopropyl chloride and another name is secondary propyl chloride. Why say that iso? Because this methyl group attached to that carbon from terminal carbon. Next carbon from terminal carbon. So that is isopropyl chloride. So this is an example. This is only one example in which having two common system names. First one is isopropyl chloride. Next one is secondary propyl chloride. Okay, don't confuse about that. Then tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide having example CH3, CH3, CH3 and Cl. This is tertiary butyl chloride. Why butyl? Because 4 carbons are here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why parent alkane is butane. One of the hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine atom. So that's why tertiary butyl chloride. Halogen atom, that is chlorine, attached to this carbon, which is attached to another 3 carbons. So that's why tertiary. So tertiary butyl chloride. This is the well-known examples. Another examples you have try yourself at your home. Okay. So this is about classification of monohalogen derivatives. Later on in the next video, we also discuss the classification of halogen derivative of alkane, which is based on the type of attachment for allylic halides, vinylic halides, as well as benzene. So today update. Okay, thank you.